Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today I'll show you how to create a remarkable mosaic transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, place the clips you want to transition between on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Mosaic. Drag the Mosaic Effect onto both of your clips on the timeline. Move the playhead to the cut between the clips and using Shift and Arrow key, move the playhead 20 frames to the start point of the transition. Select the first clip. In the Effect Controls panel, adjust the horizontal and vertical blocks to 1000. Move forward 5 frames and set blocks to 200. And finally move playhead 14 frames ahead, right next to the cut, and set blocks to 10. Now repeat the steps to the other clip but reverse them. Move the playhead 1 frame away from the cut and set blocks to 10. Then, move 14 frames forward and set blocks to 200. Then, move 5 frames ahead and set blocks to 1000. Play the timeline to preview your mosaic transition. And that's it. A quick and easy mosaic transition in Adobe Premiere Pro.